Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey in the world of coding? In this video, we will discuss about Kotlin, PHP, and JavaScript, three languages that are widely used and in high demand in the tech industry. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started in programming or an experienced developer looking to expand your skills, these languages are sure to provide a dynamic and breathtaking experience. First up is Kotlin, a modern programming language fully interoperable with Java, and gaining popularity as a first-class language for Android app development. Its concise syntax and strong support for functional programming make it a great choice for those looking to create reliable applications. Next we have PHP, a popular language used for server-side web development. Its simplicity and flexibility make it a great choice for those who want to build dynamic and interactive websites. Last but certainly not least is JavaScript, a versatile language that is used for both front-end and back-end web development. Its widespread use and support for a variety of frameworks make it a go-to choice for those looking to build a modern and interactive web applications. So join us as we explore these three incredible programming languages and discover which one is right for you. Get ready for a dynamic and breathtaking learning experience. So in number 3 we have Kotlin, a modern programming language fully interoperable with Java, and gaining popularity as a first-class language for Android app development. One of the biggest advantages of Kotlin is its compatibility with Java. This means that you can use Kotlin to build Android apps while still leveraging the vast ecosystems of Java libraries and frameworks. This can greatly speed up development and allow you to take advantages of the many tools and resources available for Java. In addition, Kotlin has a number of features that make it more pleasant to work with compared to Java. Its support for features like null safety and higher order functions can help you write cleaner and more expressive code. Overall, learning Kotlin is a great investment for those looking to build Android apps or simply want to learn a modern and powerful programming language. So it is a good idea to learn Kotlin. So now in number 2 we have PHP, a popular language used for server-side web development. Its simplicity and flexibility make it a great choice for those who want to build dynamic and interactive websites. One of the main benefits of using PHP is its widespread use and support. It is used on millions of websites and is supported by a large and active community of developers. This means that you can find a wealth of tools and resources to help you learn and work with PHP, including a large number of libraries and frameworks. In addition, PHP is relatively easy to learn, especially for those with experience in languages like C or Java. Its syntax is quite straightforward, and it has a large standard library, which means you can get started building simple applications quickly. Overall, learning PHP is a great investment for those looking to build web applications, or simply want to learn a popular and widely used programming language. So it is a good idea to learn PHP. And so finally, in number 1 we have JavaScript, a versatile language that is used for both front-end and back-end web development. Its widespread use and support for a variety of frameworks make it a go-to choice for those looking to build a modern and interactive web applications. One of the main benefits of JavaScript is its ubiquity on the web. It is the primary language used for client-side web development and is supported by all the modern web browsers, which means you can use it to build a wide range of web applications and websites. In addition, JavaScript has a large and active community of developers, with a wealth of resources and tools to help you learn and work with the language. This includes a variety of libraries and frameworks that can greatly speed up your development and allow you to build complex applications quickly. Overall, learning JavaScript is a great investment for those looking to create web applications or simply want to learn a versatile and widely used programming language. So it is a good idea to learn JavaScript. So in conclusion, thank you for joining me on this journey for the top 3 programming languages to learn. I hope that this video has provided a dynamic and breathtaking view at the languages PHP, JavaScript and Kotlin, and help you understand the strengths and potential uses of each language. As you continue your journey in programming, it is important to keep in mind that not single language is the best for all situations. The right language will depend on your goal, your interests, and the problems you want to solve. I encourage you to keep learning and experimenting with languages to find the one that best fits your needs. No matter which language you choose, the journey of becoming a developer is sure to be exciting and rewarding. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to sharing more programming content with you in the future. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and happy coding!